Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is the last one in series of educational. Today I wanna lay a segue on in between the financial information and what we are doing in our lessons here. So today's video is named Transition to Coding, Python and Financial Data Sources. The objective of this video is to transition you, followers, subscribers and viewers, from theory of stocks and financial markets into the practical coding, introducing Python, discussing its utility in finance, and showcasing data sources, among which the most used in our lessons will be Yahoo Finance. So, what is Python? Python is a programming language. Python programming language. It's incredibly popular in finance. Why? One might ask. And the reason behind it's because it's simple, versatile, and packed with libraries that make data analysis and automation easy. Few reasons why it's perfect for finance. Even beginners can pick up quickly. Our first practical code is not more than 5-6 lines of code, and still you are getting something useful from it. You are getting data with just 5 lines of code. Just imagine it. Next reason behind is extensive libraries. Tools like Pandas, Matplotlib makes easy data manipulation and visualizing a data in a breeze. And the scalability. It can handle everything from small script to large-scale financial models, including prediction models using machine learning. You will get familiar with those during our next lessons. You can use Python for multiple occasions. Retrieve stock data automatically, analyze historical trends, build models to forecast stock prices or calculate risk. Why it's useful for financial analysis? It's valuable because it automates repetitive tasks and handles large data sets with ease. 3 key libraries are already mentioned: Pandas and Matplotlib. Panda is perfect for organizing and fetching analysis for financial data. Matplotlib is great for visualizing trends through charts, and NumPy is ideal to perform complex mathematical operations. Let's search for them, shall we? Pandas library Python. Data source library is user guide, API references, community, everything you need. Next is Matplotlib. Visualization with Python. Comprehensive library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualization. You can do like big variety of things. User guides, documentation, parts of the figure, whatever you want. It's very vast and extensive library. The last one is NumPy for complex mathematical operations. You see how big is our tool set for working with the data. Okay, we got tools, we know that Python can use them. Now all we need is data to implement the usage of our tools. And here when it comes to Yahoo Finance. Here we go. You can see that it's like huge help for the data gathering. It has a lot of tools. It has its GitHub repository to download it alone, but all of these tools are, if you are familiar with Python, you know the usage of pip, and if you are not, like many of viewers might be not familiar, pip installation Python. Pip is the tool that you are using to download and install libraries in Python. So this is kind of your magic key which opens your toolset. So remember this because we are going to use it a lot. Okay, so about Yahoo Finance. It's one of the most popular tools for working with stock data. It's a Python library which is picking the data directly from Yahoo Finance. You can get with it historical stock prices, company financials, dividend and split information. As any other library for Python, Yahoo Finance can be installed with pip. You can see here the command. It's like 3 little words, as Bob Marley was singing 3 little birds, and those are our 3 little words that makes the data flow set up from Yahoo Finance to our data storage or our computer. It has great documentation to check what can be done with it. It has historical data, dividends and more that you need to start up your data analysis in Finance Flow. While Yahoo Finance is great, there are some sets of data that it doesn't have, for example, the options data. Those tools are mostly paid tools. Yahoo Finance is completely free. Alpha, Vantage. This is the API to Alpha Vantage data. Alpha Vantage financial data. You can see like there are stock APIs in it with JSON and Excel, so you can get your response in a JSON format and grab your data from there. So it has possibility to get the free key, but some of the data are paid for. Next tool is Quandl, premier publisher for alternative data for institutional investors. It's really huge one with a lot of data, but since we are not, as of the moment, the institutional investors, those APIs probably won't be economically efficient for us right now. Other dataset is financial modeling prep.com. Yes, it is. Again, API with freemium, because it has basic data, it has different packages that you can use. And another set is EOD HD, stock fundamental data API. Again, it has free and paid options, with of course free being very limited and paid, well, you can select the one that you think is most convenient for your needs. In any way, whatever you are doing, if you want to go with paid, you better start with the smallest possible option, and then as you see the fit, move up in the pricing and the coverage. So this was all, and our next lecture will be the first code, as I mentioned in this video, 5 or 6 line of code, and you can get the historical data for any given stock. So we will work on that one at next lesson. Thank you very much. Stay tuned to our channel, like, share and comment the video, and let me know if there is any subject which is interesting for you. Bye bye.